I got this comment from a video I made about BBL, and I want to honor the question that this person asked me. I want to explain everything you need to know about BOTOX. Now, when we talk about BOTOX, it is a very popular cosmetic and beauty treatment. However, the big question is it really safe, and are there certain kind of risks associated with BOTOX? You will get everything you need to know in this video. Now, BOTOX is being made from purified toxin from a particular kind of bacteria called Clostridium botulinum. And this primarily works by temporarily relaxing the muscles in order to reduce wrinkles. As you age, there are certain kind of wrinkles that happen on your face. These include the forehead lines, the frown lines, and the crown feet. It is normal. However, there are certain people that want to reduce these kind of wrinkles and they go in for BOTOX. Now, this is how the BOTOX is being done. They will inject small and controlled amount of this purified toxin inside these areas where the wrinkles are, and they block the nerves supplying these particular areas of your face and indirectly relaxing the muscles to prevent these wrinkles. This toxin does not take effect immediately it's being injected into these areas. Sometimes it takes 3 to 5 days or a week before you get the effect of the injection being given at the site. One thing you need to know is that BOTOX is temporal. It is not permanent. Basically, it takes 3 to 4 months for the BOTOX to wear off. So this means that after these 4 months, you will need to go back for the injection to be given again for you to get the effect. So BOTOX is not permanent. The second thing you need to know is that after getting the BOTOX done, sometimes your face or your facial expression looks unnatural. This is because when you try to show certain kind of facial expression, there are certain kind of wrinkles that comes. It is natural and normal. BOTOX sometimes changes these kind of natural facial expressions that you can show. The third thing you need to know is that there are certain kind of side effects that you can get after this BOTOX being done. And these include bruising at the injection site, severe headaches, drooping eyelids, and uneven facial expressions. So is BOTOX really safe? Yes, it is safe when done by a licensed and trained health professional. However, if you get a quack doctor or quack person to do it, there are certain kind of complications that might arise as a result of the procedure. So the qualification of the person counts when it comes to the procedure being done. So after all these that I've explained in this video, will you still go ahead to get a BOTOX done? This depends on you. If you find this video helpful, feel free to subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.